Today we discuss some more interesting question about HCF and LCM. Our question is we find the HCF and LCM of 96 and 404. Before going to this topic, let's do some summary, the revise for the LCM and HCF, which was this. So first, for two numbers, if we have two numbers and find the LCM and HCF, the condition is hold, means a into b, number a into number b equal to LCM and HCF and LCM. And we discussed in previous class we get that HCF is the lowest common number in prime factor, and we talk about LCM is the highest individual, say which is in all, taking one time in all the numbers. So let's solve. For first we take the factorization of 96. The 96 factorization is 96, 2 become 48, now 2 become 24, again 2 become 12, and again 2 become 6 into 3 become overall 1. So the 96 overall become 2 to the power 1 2 3 4 5, 2 to the power 5 into 3. Similarly, for we do 404, for 404 it become 404, 2 and for again 2 101, overall 101 become 1. So 404, our prime factorization according FTA is 2 to the power 2 into 101. Okay, now for we talk about the LCF. So we're talking about the LCF, it means that we use the common term with the lowest power. Okay, the lowest power is 2 in here, so the HCF is 2 become 4. And we talk about LCM, we use, since we have in a two number, so we use this concept rather than using an LCM individually. So the HCF and LCM become individual number with 106 into 404, it become 4 into LCM. So LCM become 96 into 404 divided by 4 become 101. So now we have 96 into 101. Using our basic calculation, 101 we say plus of 100 and 96 become minus of 4. It become 97 and is minus 4, and 100 minus of 4 which is 96, sorry, 97, and it become 96. So here become 96 cross 96. So the multiplication of it is 96 cross 96. How it is do so discuss in next video. It was the trick in Vedic maths. So this is 96 and 96. So our LCM is 96, and HCF is 4. If you multiply both, we get the same as the multiply. Okay, now we do some more question to understand this topic. Okay, so here it is. Our next question is we find LCM of 6 in cross 12 cross 72 cross 120. Okay, similarly for SCF become 6, so 2 3 and 3 1. Okay, and for 72 become 2 36 2 18 and 2 9 and 3 square become 1. Same as it is for 120, it become 2 160 2 30 and 2 15 and 3 5 and 5 and 1. So our prime factorization, this is FTA. For 6 become 2 into 3, 72 become 2 to the power 3 into 3 into 5, maybe it is it is 3. Okay, 2 3 and 3, and 120 it become what is that 3 2 square 2 and am I right, 2 was 60 2 30 2 15 3 5 and 5. Okay, so it become 2 3 and okay 2 3 into 5. It is the overall. According to that, the HCF will be the lowest part, which is the common in all over 2 is common, and the lowest value of all over the 2 is 2 using power, and also 3 has become 3. So 6 is our LCF, and here because of 3 number we can't use the previous method, so now we use for LCM. Using LCM we using trick, which is first we write 6, then 72, then 120, which is our all, and now for this is our thing. So our all factorization is 2 taking one's time, and all over 2 and 3 and 5, and their highest power in here, which is the highest power, and this is the factor. Highest power of 2 is 3, and 3 is 2, and 5 is 1. So the overall become 2 to the power 3, 3 to the power 2 into 1 into the power 5. It become 8 into 9 into 5. So become 40 into 9. It is 360. So our SCF and LCM are 360 and 6. Okay. I'm lefting some questions to you. The HW question, you solve the question 17, 23 and 29, number 1. Second, you solve 8, 9 and 25. Okay, and third, you solve for 72 into 1666. Okay, both using same way, as you know. And again a question which is using own question. Okay, make your own question and solve it. I hope you understand. If you understand, like and subscribe. We will meet in next video. Bye bye.